Harmony is wearing my top and my cap.
The cap is big.
Yeah, sorry guys, I'm just coming from the gym. That's why I'm looking like this. Guys, these are my old clothes. Just take a look at it. Actually look good on her though. It's not big.
Mom, but what is that this one?
It's the design, it's the decoration. Let me see the back. It's a paillette, mama. Let me see the cap.
But the sound that they did.
You can raise the, I think it's the back. I don't know, I used to wear it. It's so cute, huh? No, it's like that. Ali, look at me.
It's so big.
I know, very soon to size it. Just take a look at Harmony wearing my top. So guys, I brought out this luggage yesterday.
Mom, it's for your phone.
Yeah, this is my clothes. These are my old clothes.
Got your luggage. This is it, your luggage.
Yeah, I'm going to bring out this one. This one is still going to size me though. Yeah, some of them are still going to size me, like this one, this skirt too. Yeah. So guys, these clothes are no longer fitting me, like they are old clothes. So I don't have a little sister. Okay, Harmony said now they are for her.
You have a little sister.
No, okay, you are my little sister?
Yes.
Okay, come and wear the other one. So this one is still cute. I think this one is little too. So Harmony is taking over my clothes. Just take a look at that. That was my top. But it's a little bit too big for her though. Just look at that. Turn back, let me see. It's actually cute. Come and wear the other one. Guys, just take a look at this top. I had to tie the hand though because the hand is a little bit too long for her. Just take a look. Mama, look at me. It's so cute.
I like when I'm
yeah, Harmony like clothes like this that are shaking. I think she's going to rock it. She's going to rock it. Ali, stand straight, mama. Let them see you. Don't. Well, you see how cute that look? That's my top. Like that was my top.
But for me now.
Ali, which other one is remaining? Let's see. Guys, just take a look at this one. This one is my top. It's actually a dress on her and it's so cute. It's so cute. Oh my god, you like it?
Yes, I like it. This
It's so cute. Yeah. Wow. Look at, oh my gosh. It's so cute. Do it well. Do stand straight. Let them see you well. Take the hand up a little bit. Yeah, I don't think it's off shoulder. You can still rock it as off shoulder, but I used to rock
We
it.
don't stay like that.
I know, I used to rock it like so. Yeah, but you can still, you leave it like that first. You can wear it as you want later. Just take a look at that. Just take a look at that. Guys, don't mind our room. The room is a mess. I'm just coming back from the gym. So the next one, guys, this is the next one. This one is off shoulder. No, not off shoulder. Is what do they call this cloth that time now? So just take a look at that. It's so cute. Turn your back. Well, that's my top.
Now it's for me now.
So guys, this used to be one of my favorite little jackets. Turn your back, let me see. I used to just put it on top of my cloth. Yeah, this one is a little bit big. Yeah, it's big. It's not a little bit big. Turn your back, let me see. Yeah, I used to wear this with a short or jean trouser. Like, just take a look at my daughter rocking my clothes. Like, seriously? Like, seriously? Like, seriously? This is my crop top. Like, this was my crop top. It's so cute, but just that the shoulder is too wide. It's just, turn your back, let me see. Oh, it's so cute. I think when she's like 8 years or maybe 9 years, she can rock them, like rock my clothes so well. Turn your front, mama. Just take a look at that. So guys, yes, so just take a look at that. This is clothes everywhere. I was looking for something yesterday. That's why I brought this luggage down. I was looking for one cloth. which I'm still yet to find. But I'm bringing out this top. This is one of my favorite top from Zara. Yeah, it will still size me though because it's a loose fit. Maybe I will wear it when I take my bath.
No.
So this is one. This is a skirt. It's just a basic skirt.
Mommy, I love the dress.
So this is my beret. It's not a dress, Mama. It's a skirt. So guys, just take a look. These are clothes. Like,
Look at my skirt.
these are clothes. I don't even know what to do with them. I don't know what to do with them. Almost all of them no longer fit though. They no longer fit.
Mommy, look.
Almost. Maybe this one will fit, but it's a little bit short. Look at Harmony is rocking my beret. She's so cute.
For me.
She's so cute. Turn your back. Guys, ignore my bed, okay? Like I said, I'm just coming back from the gym, so I'm yet to do anything in this house. So Harmony is going back to school. Yeah.
I didn't go to school.
But you are going to school now. Because your teacher asked you to come this afternoon. She just took her bath. We are going to eat, and I'm going to take my bath too because I just came back from the gym. Yeah. We gotta move. 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 We are ready now. So I'm taking our money back to school. We just finished eating. In case you're seeing food in my mouth. Look at this stuff, your mama.
Hello.
So I want to take our money to school now because I'll be leaving my camera at home. So I don't know if I'll be vlogging with my phone though. So look at my top. The top I showed you guys before. This is it. You see? I have this top even before Harmony was born, even before I thought about I don't even know what I'm saying. Even before I thought of giving birth to this girl, I already have this on. That's why it's good to buy quality stuff. Like this top is from Zara, and I think I have it for close to 10 years now, if I'm not mistaken, or even more than if I'm not mistaken. So this is the outfit of the day. My outfit of the day. This is my outfit of the day. Outfit of the day. Harmony is laughing at me. Oh my god. And so guys, don't mind me. Look at Harmony. Let me show you Harmony's cute little outfit. Mama, stand there. Let me show. Just take a look at her. Yeah, she's going back to school. Turn your back. I think the beauty of this top is the back. Yeah, that's the beauty. So she's going back to school now. Say bye.
Bye.
Yeah.
Well, see you later. I go
Yeah, she's going back. Yeah, it's look at the time now. To 2 already, so she have to be in school at 5 after 2. So we are supposed to leave by now.
Now it's 5 after 2.
No, it's to 2, Mama. So guys, we are out. Look at that girl. She's calculating. She's doing multiplication.
Another one I don't like.
You don't know it. 20 plus 30 is 50, Mama. 50.
Okay,
Quadot, we are almost at Harmony school. Yeah, the gate is still locked though. We are just going to wait outside for them to open our school. Very soon she'll be at the other side. Yeah, primary school is at the other side there. So we soon go to primary school from September. So
we've lost track of time, don't know how to feel, but I'm not sorry. I'm lost in your eyes, are you even real? But don't you worry, I'm not.
The kids are back from school. Not as a cuckoo. Harmony is back from school. Ali, let's go.
No.
Give him. He was the one holding it since.
Looking for the one, no, I just wanna have some fun. So let's get drunk tonight, 'cause fuck how
Hi guys. It's okay, I'm vlogging. Hi guys. I don't know if stop. I don't know if I've even welcomed new people to this vlog. I don't think so because I started the vlog earlier on. So hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Teresa. In case you're new here, in case you're seeing this face for the first time, I'm a Nigerian YouTuber living in France, Lyon to be precise. So I'm a mom of 2 beautiful kids. You can see them here, and a wife too. So guys, the kids just came back from school and they have their snacks already. So we made the popsicles. So it's still in the freezer.
In English, did this ice cream?
Ice cream is popsicles.
Yes.
So I'm going to be cutting this melon right now.
Marshmallows. What? Marshmallows.
Sorry about the noise. This Nathan boy is just a noise maker.
Are you going to remove the seed?
Wash and see.
You're going to do magic?
Wash and see.
And I'm going to do magic. What the like that?
Wash and see.
Boom! And it's like that as
You
I'm
just
doing
saw it, no? You just saw it twice. Why are you?
No, what? Oh, no.
Did not cut this thing very well. After remove your arm from there.
With your mommy.
I think I told you people already this afternoon that I'm going to afternoon school today.
Yeah.
And she's just telling me that there were only 5 in their class that came. Yeah, just 5 people. Instead of 21, no?
Yes.
Instead of 21, just 5 that came. Because normally they told us, Naka, it's okay, the noise is too much. It's okay. Even though you will not eat the ice cream, they stop the noise. Because they told us yesterday that the teacher is sick. So we went to go and pick them yesterday afternoon.
After we finish eating at home.
As soon as we finished eating, wow. This lemon, I say lemon. This melon is so nice. Like one? It's delicious.
Guys, come and try. I'll go and buy your cake,
You
guys.
don't like it?
It's yummy.
Nathan don't like lemon. Why am I calling it lemon? Melon.
Africa.
It's not even cold yet, but it's delicious. Imagine if it's cold.
Africa. Say, Mama, say. Africa. Say, Mama, say. Africa. Say, Mama, Africa. Say, Mama, Africa.
It's not blocked yet. No, it's not ready yet, okay? Guys, this melon is so delicious.
Africa.
So guys, we are going to be ending this vlog here. Bye. Thank you for watching and